Alright, everyone. They added a new update to this beautiful ad game. Alright, I can they added a lot, bruh. Mythical tree. Bro, these are the trees you see in anime, bro. It's like majestic ass trees, bro. And I heard they added like hella ores. Oh, we got equipment now? Helmet, gauntlet, vest, trinkets, and boots. Auto roll settings, blah, blah, blah. Oh, you got this shoddy over here. Blossom hat. Wait. Whoa, this looks tough. Adventure vest. Guys. It looks oddly familiar. Are these necklaces? Inventory expansion. Domain expansion. Oh yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna show you the ores and stuff like that. Wait, I'm gonna roll one time. Bismillah. Yeah, alright. I expected that. Now time to change my luck number to the max. Wait, is there a new max aura? Let's do this. What? Okay, I think it works now. Hold on. Yep. Oh, it's just the Crusader one. I guess I'll take it. Bro, these animations are so tough. So I'm guessing that yeah, I'm stuttering today, bro. I'm guessing this is the still the max aura. I changed luck to 333. Oh, new one. Like, I have a guitar. Ooh, the animation's kind of bum, but I mean the aura looks fire. The aura looks fire, bro. I'm not complaining. I hit that solo, bro. This genuinely looks tough. I'm gonna roll again. I put more threes. Yep, I already seen this one, bro. How much ores did they add? Lapse blue and reversal red. Hollow purple. You Eastern guy. I'm living it back shots. Trying to get the new ores. Stop. Oh! Wait. What? It's a Fortnite skin? Bro, this is a Raven from Fortnite. He's offered me a knife. Am I gonna... He's gonna do me. I lost. Bro, I won? This guy's a bomb. Oh, I just took his place, bro. Wait, I'm the new Void Bridger. Oh, they're cooking. Genuinely, bro, they're cooking. Look at my devious ASF walk. Bro, I can feel the pickaxe swings on this. It's clean. This is clean. Please no. Also, there's two ores right there, as you can see. There's two mystery ores. Oh! Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh! I already got aura, but before I even got aura. Show him, egoist. Show him! Absolute. Bro, the music on here is tough. Wait, hold on, look. I'm gonna check this place. Is the door open? There's like a lock on the door. I'm gonna check it out. It's open. Wait, is it? Nope, it's still locked, but it's more red. Bro, it's gonna be like that one Souls RNG quest. You need like some kind of unbound to unlock it, bro. I'm gonna roll again. Oh, this guy again. All right, so I keep pressing the wrong buttons. The black man's coming inside of me. Oh, wait, I'm gonna put it to less. Like that less. Just a little bit less. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, wait, this is pure luck, by the way. I put mine to only 3333 and I got it. This is pure luck. This is Santee luck, guys. Use Santee luck, guys. Yeah, everybody, use Santee luck, guys. It's true. It's true. Oh, it's plague. Bejeweled. Bejeweled. I mean, it's alright, bro. It's alright. It's alright. It's not too extravagant. Not too big. What the name, bro? What kind of name is this? Bejeweled. No, Bejeweled. Bejeweled. No! Oh! It's a Souls RNG star. It's a Souls RNG star. Wait, that's in Peach. That's in Peach. That has to be in Peach. No, it's Unbound. Twilight? Oh yeah, I guess it could be Twilight. Okay. Bro, I like the font, bro. Yo, it's low-key good. Ooh. I took out a book. Is this the Krabby Patty secret formula? Is this? So I just came back with the glow up. Bro, these Zenith RNG people are mad creative, bro. Alright, there's a lot of ores, bro. They added a lot of ores. I'm also missing this one. I'm gonna try to get that one. Oh, this one. Oh, I forgot about this one. This is the Legends of Terraria. Wait, I think that's how you say it. Legends of Terraria. It's gonna make me zesty. Wait, this is the one, right? Emperor, yeah, this is the one. So I'm missing a lot, but these aren't even that good for real. Fractured. Wait, this is good for the rarity. What the heck, bro? Souls RG, bro, you suck. Oh, our car hid. Like, what's up, Danger? Like, what's up, Danger? Everybody wants to know. Wait, what's that one Spider-Man quote? The Miles Morales quote. Let me pull up my phone. Miles Morales tough moments. Miles Morales quote. Oh yeah. Telling me how my story is supposed to go. Everyone keeps telling me how my story is supposed to go. Nah, I'm gonna do my own thing. That's so bad. That's so bad. I'm quitting YouTube. I'm quitting everything. Bro, I'm still waiting on the new Spider-Man movie, bro. Wait, this Loki can be like stuck to something. Hold on. It's like Twilight. You know Twilight, how it can like sit on stuff? Yeah, I can like roleplay with this, you feel me? Like, if I stay right here, it looks, hold on. If I stay like right here, yeah, look, see? That's perfect now. But I'm gonna put on my new favorite aura. It has to be Void Bridger. Now I'm gonna show you the equipment. I need 2 titles and 3 frosts. That's light work. Hold on. Wait, this new one. Hold on. I'm low-key. This is good. I'm not trying to glaze. This is good. Bro, this is a Fortnite pick. Bro, they're called Strategy. You got no Souls RNG star. And I'm anonymous. This is Sigma. You know, I'm a Sigma manipulator. I'm Ayano Kochi, you know, you feel me? Ember. Mid. Rainy. Okay. Cupid. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I found a lover that can hold. Chill. I like this one. I like the colors. Blue and pink. Enigma. Sigma. It's a new one? Yeah, it's a new one, I bet. So I need 1 frost. That's it. Rolls leaderboard. Oh wait, that's Beatrix. That's Bax. Wait, where's me? That's me. I'm 11. I'm 11, y'all. Bax. I'm above Bax. I'm above Bax. But let's see who other YouTubers on here. Oh, we got Batman. Batman's on your chat. Bro, I don't know the other people. If you know these other people, bro, let me know who they are in the comments. I'm on 15th on this leaderboard. All right, wait, where's Bax? Bax is 22. I feel legit. I ride an XD. Other boys ST XD. Oh yes, finally. What the Sigma? Yo, finally. All right, we can get it now. I can finally get my drip up. Time to equip it. Where is it, bro? It has a timer. I think I'll get it in 5 minutes. That's how it works. That's kind of bomb. Well, in the meantime, I'm gonna try to get 4. Hold on. I hate this. What I need? 2 embers, 2 natures. But who the hell is joining me? Who is that? What the heck? What is that? Y'all see that? Wait, y'all see that overtorn? 150 luck? Oh, it's 150 luck if I stay in the circle. There we go. Thank you. So it has like luck spots too. All right, so I'm gonna claim this and I'm gonna craft that light work. All right, I have my helmet now. Let's see how drippy. Ooh, this is drippy. This is drippy. This is drippy. Wait, no, I have to get full decked out for the thumbnail, bro. I have to get full. Wait, no. Skibbity versus Sigma versus Skibbity rap battle. Oh, I'm kind of like, I don't want to do this, bro. I don't want to, bro. It's telling me to wait a whole 8 minutes, bro. Oh, bro. It's telling me to wait a whole, hold on. Let me see again. A whole 8 minutes. Where is this ninja at, bro? Yo,
joins are off.
Bro, no, on everything they're on.
In game. Why does it keep saying I can't join you?
Yo, refresh your page, bro. What are you doing, bro? What's your fit, bro?
Oh, I'm gonna put the ego fit on.
Wait, like a person has Twilight.
Oh my god, that's a Twilight one.
What you think about it, gang?
You
have to say something good so they like can like give me moderator type stuff.
I got a glaze.
Yeah, so they might give me mods type shit.
Yeah, no, this is amazing. It's exquisite. I've never seen another aura with Twilight. Like, it's just so unique. I know. And look, like Miles Morales one. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Okay.
Bro, she has diamond armor, bro. Look.
Oh, look at her fake handlers, bro. This is pretty Sigma.
Bro, I'm kind of late to the update, not gonna lie. Bro,
yeah, fucking YouTube now, bro. Oh, I got a new one. Yeah, this shit. Oh, keep it. Oh no, I need that. Why did it skip it?
Because you have auto skip.
Oh, they make it
No, we should make a video about the new update.
You just need to make a video. What is your upload schedule? What happened?
Yo, I'm in my nah, bro. I watched this one anime, bro. It got me my feelings, bro. Yo, it's the saddest ever, bro.
What is?
It's called I Want to Eat Your Pancreas or something.
What the f
No. It's not weird, bro. I swear, it's so good, bro. This shit's better than Attack on Titan, bro. I swear. Bro, you should watch Redo of Healer, bro.
Can you please ask them to give us admin so I can get a million trillion rolls? Is she flying? How is she doing that?
There's an invisible block. We tried. There's an invisible block.
Oh, there is.
Wait, what? No auras, no play, no motion. You ugly. No Robux.
Oh, I got a key. Look how cute I am.
Oh yeah, in Sigma.
In Sigma? No, you're just boring, bro. So who the are you?
Bro, I'm not saying that, bro. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Yo, Ducky, he's getting banned. Oh yeah, Bejuela.
These devs are gonna be different with these names. Jerk Circle. Oh, I got Enigma again.
Oh my god, I got Plague. Oh my god, I got Plague.
Wait, should we get into spam W so he gets banned? Yo, Ducky, spam dubs for the video. He said nah, lame viewer, he banned.
Noodle blocks! Noodle blocks! Noodle blocks! Joel, come here, Noodle blocks! It's Noodle blocks! And Noodle blocks! Noodle blocks! Yo, Noodle blocks! Oh my god! Yo, I'm recording right now. Noodle blocks! Can I get a picture? Oh, Noodle blocks! Noodle blocks! Oh my god, bro! Noodle blocks! Noodle, please cream inside me to get extra noodle luck. Noodle blocks! Noodle! No!
He doesn't even have the noodle block outfit, bro. He's just got the hair. Actually, no, I don't even have the same hair. This is just some random kid.
No, it's Noodle blocks. It's Noodle blocks. Noodle blocks. Everybody, come.
Please, guys, calm down. Give the attention to me.
Look, they're coming. There's Noodle blocks. He's running, bro. He's running.
This is the most attention he's got from anyone. Like his parents didn't neglect him. I got 5v1 the other day, but all of them were called a noodle luck or something.
Weirdos.
Yeah, no. Let's play TSB. That's hard.
You're killing me. He's boogie bomb. Oh my god, Santi. Santi's ramming his ass.
He's so low.
No,
I had 43 white. 43 white.
I boogie bombed him.
On the go.
I boogie bombed him.
Oh
Yo.
my god, I'm not ready to say it.
No,
fucking ready.
bro,
Yo, let me in.
bro.
No, I'm not fucking ready.
You bomb.
Yo,
Absolute bomb, bro. What are you doing? It's not that deep. It's not that deep.
All that fucking
Yo, Carlos,
It's not that deep, bro.
No, what'd you take?
drop
though?
all that goddamn loot.
I took
What'd you
nothing.
take?
I say so too big for this and a big ass break out. 3 more minutes when you ask how my day go. Pull up blueberry for you.